Hello, Namaste, Adab, dear student. Today I again welcome you with very interesting topics and some reactions we have discussed in our previous segment. Now we will discuss the remaining reactions. So the first reaction of today that we will discuss is reaction of acid with base. When acid and base react with each other, then what they form? They form salt and water. If the concentration of the acid and base are similar to each other, or if they are both strong, or if they are both weak, then we get the neutral salt. And that reaction is known as neutralization, student. Neutralization. And neutralization reaction, many times you also observe when your elders or the parents complain about acidity. Then at that time, what they take the medicines. And those medicines are generally antacid, means what they take base. And by taking the base, they neutralize the effect of hydrochloric acid, and what is formed in that is salt and water. And generally the antacid that is taken, that is known as milk of magnesia. And what is the formula of that? That formula is magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2. Like this, there is another reaction that you can easily do in the laboratory. First, you take the hydrochloric acid, and when you react that hydrochloric acid with one base, that is sodium hydroxide, then what you get? You get NaCl plus water. Means when the acid, here the acid is hydrochloric acid, react with the base, then what they form? They form salt and water. And this reaction is known as neutralization reaction, student. Why do we call it neutralization? Because here hydrochloric acid and NaOH, they have the similar concentration or similar type of nature. When they react with each other, then they form the NaCl, and NaCl is a neutral salt. It is neither acidic nor basic. That's why this reaction is also known as neutralization reaction, student. Neutralization reaction. If the concentration of acid is more than the base, then we get the acidic salt. If the concentration of base is more than the acid, then we get the basic salt. If the concentration of both acid and base are similar to each other, then in that case we get the neutral salt like this. And this reaction is known as neutralization reaction, student. You learn it. And neutralization reaction takes place in the case of remove the acidity, to neutralize the acidity. Like when we have the acidity, at that time what is produced in our stomach? That is hydrochloric acid. And from where the hydrochloric acid is released, student? Tell me. It is released from the gastric gland of stomach. And when the concentration of that acid is increased in our stomach, then we have the acidity. And that acidity can be neutralized by taking one particular medicine that is known as OH2 means magnesium hydroxide, that is known as milk of magnesia. Now, when we react it with this, then what is formed? There MgCl2 is formed, MgCl2, and with this water is released. So this reaction is taken place in case of acidity when we take antacid in the form of milk of magnesia, and the chemical name of milk of magnesia is magnesium hydroxide. Now we come on the reaction of metallic oxide with acid. Like there is one metallic oxide that is generally used to do the trekking or to decorate the grounds, and that particular chemical is known as quicklime student, and that quicklime formula is CaO. It is the formula of quicklime. When this quicklime is reacted with hydrochloric acid, then what we get? We get CaCl2 plus H2O. In this metallic oxide is basic in nature. When it reacts with one acid, then what is it forming? It is forming one salt in the form of calcium chloride, and it is exothermic reaction student, exothermic, because heat is released in this. Like this, metallic oxide are basic in nature. Like this, non-metallic oxide are acidic in nature. They are acidic in nature. For this, you can take one example, like when the non-metallic oxide like carbon dioxide is reacted with one base, that is calcium hydroxide, CaOH2, then what it forms? It forms CaCO3 plus H2O, and this reaction is also known as precipitation reaction because CaCO3 is insoluble in water and it has the milky structure or milky suspension in water. That's why this reaction is also known as precipitation reaction student. So when the non-metallic oxide have the acidic nature, so when those non-metallic oxide are reacted with base, then what they form? They also form salt and water. So it is about the reaction of acid with base and reaction of metallic oxide with acid, reaction of non-metallic oxide with base. Now you will learn that the metallic oxide have the basic nature, metallic oxide, and non-metallic oxide have acidic nature. But there are some metallic oxides are found in both nature, means they have the both nature acidic as well as basic. Those oxides are known as amphoteric oxide, and the example of amphoteric oxide is aluminium oxide student, Al2O3. Aluminium oxide is an example of amphoteric oxide because it can react with both acid and base. That's why it is known as amphoteric oxide, student. So now you will learn these reaction and you will also read it in your book. Thank you very much and have a nice day.